Okay, so this section, we're just going to keep doing more examples. So they're word problems. You have to read them, follow the strategy, and see what you can do. If you want, you can stop the video and, do it on your own and see what you can do with it. And if you can't, figure it out, then just turn the video on and watch the example. Okay, so it's time to decide how you're going to pay the bridge toll so that you can get to the beach. The first option requires purchasing a transporter for $20. Then with the transporter, you pay a reduced toll of $3.25 each time you cross the bridge. Now this phrase, each time you cross the bridge, that's going to be important to us. Your second option is toll by plate. With this option, you pay the full toll of $4.25 each time you cross the bridge. Each time you cross the bridge. Plus a $3 administrative fee for each crossing. Find the number of times you would need to cross the bridge for the costs of the two options to be the same. Okay, so stop the video, reread it, wrap your mind around it, see what you can come up with, or just watch me do it. Okay, there's the transporter option. Transponder. Transporter. Anyway, for that option, you're paying $20, so a flat fee of $20 plus, and then it's $3.25 each time you cross the bridge. That's going to be your variable, X, or B for bridge, or T for time, whatever you want. So it's $3.25 for every time you cross the bridge. Now be careful with money, because $20, you could put 20.00 or 3.25 for $3.25. So you want to be careful on that. Okay, that's the transponder way. Now, toll by plate, so I'll just put by plate. We have a different way of paying. You pay the full toll of $4.25 each time you cross the bridge, so it's $4.25 X each time you cross the bridge, plus a $3 fee for each crossing, plus 3X. And again, you could put 3.00. Okay, so those are the two different options there. Think about that a little bit. All right, find the number of times you would need to cross the bridge. Cross the bridge, that's X. So you're trying to find X for the two costs of the two options to be the same. So if they're going to be the same, then they're going to be equal to each other. So when does the transponder way equal the biplate way? Okay, now we have an equation. Yay. So we follow the rules for solving an equation. Now this on the left is going to be 20 plus 325x equals, but here these are like terms. We can add those together. So if you think in terms of money, 425 and 3, that's going to be 725x, right? They're both x terms. Okay, so let's get x on one side. Subtract 325x. And so I have 20, or you could put 20.00 if you want. And then those are canceling out, and what do we get here? We get 4x. And so we're going to divide both sides by 4, and we're going to get x to be 5. X equals 5. Now let's think about that. What does that mean? X equals 5. Is it $5? No, it's not money. What did x represent? The times crossing the bridge. So we need it to be a whole number. You can't go like halfway across the bridge. You're either crossing the bridge or you're not crossing the bridge. So it's 5 times at 5 crossings. The cost is the same. Okay. And that's what the question asked. Okay, there was that problem.